Hello, beautiful friends. I'm Linette, a gardening enthusiast from Circleville, Ohio, Zone 6A, 6B, home of the Pumpkin Show. I'm passionate about all things home and garden. My husband likes to say, if you come to our house, she might paint you. I also enjoy dabbling in interior design. I decorate the world for every holiday and special occasion. My mission is to make people feel special and inspired. Join me as we explore and celebrate the beauty in the ordinary. Let's romance the everyday together.
Linette's garden and home was featured on Dig Plant Water Repeat, and she also won second place at a home garden show. Enjoy our video highlights from 2024.
Hello, beautiful friends. My name is Linette. I live here in Circleville, Ohio. I'm so excited to debut my new YouTube channel with you guys. It is called Garden 1842 and Home. We're gonna do this head. Okay, so I think we need some pillows to give us a little pop. Let me clean it.
You got it on the gutter!
Do you guys love that? Okay guys, I know we always say this, but look how cute these pumpkin glasses we have. Nikki got me these for fall last year, and we have a little bit of a drink in it, and we want to do a cheers. Cheers!
Job well done, my friend.
Beautiful friends, do you guys struggle with decorating for the holidays? Well, come with me today because I'm going to show you some simple tips and tricks that you can decorate any front porch of any size on any budget. I love to decorate and I've been doing it for a long time, so follow me today.
As you can see, we went crazy with the fall, but we're getting pumpkin show ready. Circleville Pumpkin Show is something everyone needs to see. And we are getting ready and we're gonna keep going. I have one last touch. I'm gonna stick this right there. And we're gonna give you a tour, a little close up of all of this. You guys go out and find your passion today.
We decided to take the tablecloth that we were crafting on, clean it off, put it down the middle of my table, use it for a runner, put back my decorations, my plates, and then we put the pumpkins on the plate, and voila, we lit some candles, and my dining room is decorated. We just did it that quick.
Cheers to that!
Cheers! Now go find your passion. Well, hello, beautiful friends. Have you guys ever thought about decorating your fence? Come with me today because I want to show you guys how we can decorate a fence and some window boxes for fall. Hello, beautiful friends. Have you ever thought about using a banner to decorate in your yard?
We are going to start dressing this scarecrow. We have some old pants that were used as a costume.
Okay, so we put a shirt on him. Oh no, our poor scarecrow. This is what I was looking for, you guys. 75% off. I'm buying some spray paints. I'll tell you later why. Beautiful friends, it is the perfect fall day today. And we're out here and we're gonna walk downtown. Well, hello beautiful friends. Here we are at the Circleville Pumpkin Show. You guys have heard us talk about this for about a month now.
Handyman Steve has a whole little setup going. Say hi, Steve!
Here's my mom that I want to show you guys how to paint. It is so easy to do. It's going to save you guys a little bit of money. Get you a bottle of spray paint where you see the flowers.
All of the videos today can be found on our gardening playlist. Thank you for watching. Stay with us. We have lots of fun and exciting content to come.